Hey all, in this tutorial we will be discussing the solution of one of the given problem statement, that is reverse string by using stack. So as given in the problem statement that we have input of string type which is currently holding the value hello world. So we need to perform the reverse operation on each word along with its characters. So after performing the reverse operation, the output will some looks like this. So let's get started with the implementation of the solution of this problem. So let's quickly write one method of string as an input return type, and method name will be reverse, which is expecting input of string type. So inside this, initially we'll be creating one stack because stack will be holding the elements in leaf order, last in first out. The element which is inserted last will be eligible to pop out first, right? That's why we are creating the stack. So all the operation we are trying to perform by using stack. So we are creating a stack of character type because we are going to hold multiple each character into stack, and then we will be converting input of string type into character array. So for that, let's create chars of. So we have one to char array method in the string class which is returning you the character array of the given string. So now what we will be doing, we will be iterating through these characters, and we will be adding each character into the stack dot push. We'll be passing this ch is nothing but a character, right? So how it is adding, first it will be add h, then e, then l, then l, o, then space, then w, o, r, l, d, like this, one by one character, right? And when we pop out these characters, it start popping out from top. So as we said, leaf of principle, last in first out. So last inserted element will be eligible to pop out first. So the stack will do two operations. One is reversing each word and another one is reversing each character of each word, right? This is what we are expecting as a part of this problem statement. So now we have added each character into this character stack, right? Now we have to basically iterate this stack again. So let's do that. For now, what we are trying to do, we will be popping out each element from the stack, right? We'll be popping out D first, then L, then R, then O, then W, then these characters one by one, right? So when we are popping out the popped element, we will be adding into character array. So now the use of this character array is done till here. Now we will be reusing this character array. Now in first iteration, right, when this first time loop will execute, we will be removing this D from the stack because the top element in the stack is D. And then we will be removing L, right? Then we will be removing R, then we will be removing O, then W, then we will be removing O, then L, then L, then E, then H, right? So likewise we will be removing, and you can see this is nothing but the reversed form of the expected output, right, which we are expecting. Now we have kept all these reverse element into the character. No need to perform any extra logic, right? All things are taken care by stack. Now once we have added all the elements in the form of reversed element into the character array, so we have to return this character array to back to the caller method, new string, where we will be passing characters. All right, this is what we are expecting. Now let's write main method by calling this should be static to eliminate the work of creating object. And then we are going to use reverse, where we will be passing same input, hello world. All right, so instead of keeping in another variable, I'm just printing it here. Okay, now let's run this. Let's verify whether our logic is working or not. Okay, let's compare this output with the output which we discussed. I believe it's matching, right? It's similar with the output which we discussed earlier, right? So this is how. Now you might be wondering how this stack is doing this operation, how this reverse is actually happening, right? So we discussed here this. Now uh, there is no any way that you can insert element first and the same element you can popped out. There is only way that you can remove the element, that is from top, and you have to insert the element into stack through the top only. There is no any other way, right? So in this way it is adding the element into stack, right? And once you pop out, it will popped out in the reverse manner. So the logic itself is taken care by this stack. So this is working fine. I think we need to try with one another uh, input. See, HEREWELCOME, right? So this is working fine as expected. So that's all from this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.